Hi, Katie Rice here with the Rice Conway Mortgage Team. I hope you're having a great day. Victoria and I, wanted to wish you a happy Thanksgiving in advance. We wanted to thank you for your continued support in the last couple of years. Our team has thrived, and we have such a great team right now. We're really thankful for that, and we're thankful for you as clients. We also wanted to get out some information to you about what's happening in the mortgage field right now. There's a lot of changes happening starting January 1st with some new rules that are coming down that are going to make guidelines a little bit tighter for loans. So if you haven't refinanced or purchased, now might be the time. If you're concerned about your debt to income ratio, or you're buying a second home, or you have a lot of investment properties, all those things can take effect on these new qualified mortgages, and we're happy to send you some more information about that, but there's some information attached. Also, home affordability. Since March, rates have gone up about a percentage point, so obviously things are getting more expensive and you can't buy as much as you used to. While I don't think rates will increase significantly in 2014, the housing prices are going to continue to rise, and with that rise, it will be harder to afford the same house. So if you're on the fence, it might be a good time to get off the fence. If you're selling, this might be a good time to really negotiate with those buyers, because it's a good time as there's more buyers in the market right now because more people can afford houses. If you have any questions on any type of things that are going on in the mortgage world, please give us a call. So many things change all the time. Short sale guidelines change, foreclosure guidelines change, VA loans change, FHA loans. We do them all, and we love talking about it, and we want to really make sure you're taking care of it because you're our past clients and because you're our future clients. So we want to make sure we're taking care of you. Please don't ever hesitate to give any of us a call. And both myself and Victoria wish you a happy holiday season. Bye.